All in this video we will see how to use a value and a manufacturing part number as a parameter for a component. So if we take a component, right? So let us first place one component here. Okay, we are using OrCAD for this OrCAD Lite to just demonstrate. So if you see here, we have placed a part. So the parameters can be seen by double clicking on this part, right? So if you go to the end, you'll have something called value, which is a parameter included along with the component by default in OrCAD. Now, if you see, the value says 100302, which doesn't signify anything, right? You don't know what is this. And generally people add a new property by clicking on new property and keeping manufacturing part number. So manufacturing part number is something by which you will buy this part, so it will be present in the BOM, whereas value is something you keep in the schematic. Like example, if we can see here, it is included along with the part here. So if you have a manufacturing part number for this, it will not be equal to value. Value should be something which is simple, short, and easy to identify. Okay, like example, if we have LM317 regulator, okay, so we can mention here as LM317. Okay, but in the MPN you will have LM317 and the package extension that is there. That's how we differentiate between value and manufacturing part number in the schematic.